guys? Nando here, back with one more video. And listen, this might be a little weird, a different kind of approach to filming this video. But I figured I'd kill two birds with one stone. And what I'm doing right now is I'm using my iPhone X to record this video, but on the new DJI Osmo Mobile 2. So as you can see, as I move, it moves just like that. That's what's kind of going on right now. Let me know in the comment section below if it doesn't look good, if it's bad, if the focus is off. I got to figure it and try it out one way or another. So thank you for being patient with me throughout this video. Peep the cat in the background. Mia is part of the video today. But anyway, so we're going to do a quick unboxing today of the Huawei Mate 10 Pro. I will kick to that footage here in a second, so feel free to fast forward through this part and get right to the unboxing if you'd like. I just wanted to go ahead and tell you guys just some quick specs on the phone, and then you guys can check out the unboxing. So what we've got here is a 6-inch device with a 4,000 milliamp hour battery. We've got two camera lenses. Obviously on the back we've got a 12 megapixel main camera, and then we've got a 20 megapixel monochrome camera. This phone comes with 6 gigs of RAM, I believe. No expandable storage, 128 gigabytes of internal storage. And then Huawei's using their in-house GPU, the Kirkin something, whatever. Basically, it's super fast. No complaints when I had the Huawei Mate 9, so I shouldn't expect any issues with the Huawei Mate 10. So other than that, no headphone jack. We do have an IR blaster on the top, and that's pretty much it. We've got the fingerprint scanner on the back, super fast as you guys can tell. Now, if you guys want to go ahead and watch that unboxing, here it comes. Please hit that subscribe button and that like button. And like I said before, let me know in the comment section below what you think of this. Obviously, I'm not going to be doing the majority of my videos like this going forward, but I did want to check this out because I will be doing a final review on the DJI Osmo Mobile 2. So let's get to that video in 3, 2, 1. What's going on, guys? It's Nando back with one more video, and we got another unboxing, another phone. Today we've got the Huawei Mate 10 Pro. So this phone has been out for probably over a month now. First time that I've gotten a chance to review this phone. Why? Because it's just released in the United States. Huawei's been trying to drop this phone through a carrier. They were not able to do so, so they said, screw that. Let's go unbox style. Let's go unlock style. And they dropped it through Amazon, Best Buy, and I think a couple other modes or vendor, whatever you want to call it. Anyways, I went ahead and got this at Best Buy. Right off the bat, guys, let me tell you something about the pricing. $799, okay, $799. So a little cheaper than your other flagships, a little more expensive than some of your other popular phones, kind of in the middle. But what Huawei is doing is, if you had pre-ordered this phone, I don't know if that's still going. I know Amazon and Best Buy were dropping $150 gift cards to their respective stores. So at Best Buy, I went ahead and got this phone and a $150 gift card. So let's go ahead and unbox this. I already peeled off the plastic, got my name out of the way. As you guys can see here in the outside, I've got the Google Pixel 2 XL, which is what I've been rocking for well over a month. iPhone X, what I've been switching in and out of, and off to the side here, the OnePlus 5T, which I will be getting rid of soon. And then it's going to come down to this guy and that guy, deciding which of these two I will keep. I will be doing some reviews, definitely between the Pixel 2 XL and the Huawei Mate 10 Pro. However, let's go ahead and just unbox this, and then at the end, I'll kind of give you guys what I plan on doing with this phone going forward. All right, so phone is what you see right off the bat. Right, I hope that's not scratches. Okay. I don't know if y'all can tell, but this phone definitely comes with a screen protector. I don't know if it's tempered glass or not, but the thing is definitely applied and definitely perfectly applied. I couldn't do as good of a job. And right off the bat, man, that's one of the things I love about this company and I love about these companies, okay? The other company that does that I know of is the OnePlus with their
Most recently, OnePlus 5T. I mean, you get the phone and they slap a screen protector on it for you. If you don't like it, peel it off. However, you don't have to go out and spend additional money to put a screen protector on the phone. Like right now, you're good to go with the screen protector. If you want to get another screen protector, get it. If you want to go get another case, get it. But right off the bat, you've got what you need to rock out your phone and do so in a safe manner. So let me peel this guy back right here. So look at that, man. That's sexy. Fingerprint magnet for sure, but that is sexy. This is like the excuse me. I think they call this one the titanium silver. They've got the midnight black, and they've got a I think it's midnight black. If it's not midnight black, it's some kind of black, and then they've got, I know for a fact, a midnight blue. So depending on where you're buying this phone from, you may have all three options, or you may only have one or the other. I know at Best Buy, I had this, and I had the midnight blue as an option. The black was not an option. And then, of course, there's the Porsche edition of this phone. So Huawei's definitely giving you options. Right off the bat, fingerprint sensor right here, where I think the majority of us would agree is the best place to have it. Dual camera lens setup. We've got the flash off to the left-hand side, and then we've got the little focus laser thingamajig off to the right-hand side. Now, between these two lenses, I don't know which one is the monochrome lens, but that's what they're going with. They're going with a monochrome setup and then like a regular lens. Specs-wise on the lens, I don't know off the top of my head. Probably like a 12 megapixel or some sort. But I'll definitely go over the specs either in another video or definitely, obviously, in my review and things like that. So let me put the phone off to the side. All right, so inside this section here, we've got what appears to be a case. And again, I love this. Huawei representatives, if you're listening to this video, watching this video, thank you so much. I know you're not, because why would you want to watch or listen to a guy with only less than 3,000 subscribers? But look, man, this is dope. Call me crazy, this is dope. Screen protector applied, case ready to roll. I can go ahead, slap this in like this, boom, 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 and look, and that's not a bad case, man. I mean, this is something we're going to be spending 10 to 15 bucks on Amazon, and look at that. Shows off the phone pretty well. I mean, it is a frosty back, but look, screen protector and case, a little raisivity. If you watch Floss, you know what I'm talking about. So, love that. Okay, and then we've got the books, quick guide, and SIM ejector tool. I'll slap that over here. On the right-hand side, we've got, you know, what you need, right? So we've got the charging brick. Now, what's exciting about this charging brick is Huawei's been rocking their supercharge technology. And I had the Mate 9, and I loved the Mate 9. And one of my favorite features of the Mate 9 was battery life overall, but how fast that phone charged. Between OnePlus and the Huawei, honestly, I'm going to give it to Huawei. I think the supercharge is faster than the dash charge. I can't wait to try it again with the Mate 10 Pro. I definitely will report back to you guys on what I think of it. But this brick will definitely get you places very, very quickly. Put that there. Here we've got a some earbuds. It looks like they are USB-C type earbuds. Why? Because the phone does not have a headphone jack, and it does charge USB-C, so hey, at least they give you earbuds. And then of course you need a USB charging cable to charge your phone, and that is it, or at least let me put, boom, that's it. All right, so I'm not going to go ahead and charge up this phone because I still got to slap on the SIM card, but right off the bat, it feels so good in hand. I have the, like I said, Pixel 2 XL off to my left. Yes, I have a big speaking case on it. This is a 6-inch phone. This is a 6-inch phone. This phone is supposedly a little more narrow, a little slimmer than the Pixel, so it should feel better in hand. And then we've got the OnePlus 5T here. Actually, between these two, they actually feel very, very similar. I'm going to say that the OnePlus 5T is maybe a little thicker, or I should say thicker, wider. I think that the Mate 10 Pro is thicker. But also like a 6-inch screen or close to it, and a 6-inch, and then, you know, no really comparisons between the Mate 10 Pro and the iPhone X, because this guy right here is a 5.8-inch phone. Obviously just smaller footprint overall. So there you have it, guys. Just a quick unboxing. Let me know in the comment section below if you are interested in this phone. What do you think of this phone? Do you like the fact that Huawei is selling it straight up unlocked? I like that. I love that. I rock T-Mobile, so if phones come out unlocked, there's a good chance I'm going to buy it. I don't want to deal with contracts. I don't want to deal with any of that crap. So I'm very happy that Huawei did what they did, and I'm even more happy the fact that Huawei worked with, you know, Best Buy, Amazon, and other retailers to give us a $150 gift card. For $150 off, this is a must-buy right off the bat, in my opinion. So after I use it, as I use it, I'll go ahead and drop more videos. Definitely going to do, you know, the final review, like always, likes, dislikes, a review in terms of things to consider, things that stand out to me, possibly a video just for battery life, and then any other little quirks that I see throughout, I'll do that as well. Definitely a review between this and the Pixel 2 XL, this and possibly the OnePlus 5T, this and possibly the iPhone X. If you want to see any one of these more so than the other, let me know in the comment section below. And like always, guys, stay geeky. That's the most important thing. Have fun. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace, salute, and adios.